Alright, our water heater is leaking. Water all over the place. We got a bucket down here catching it. This is a hybrid, an eternal hybrid water heater. And we're trying to figure out what to do about all the water inside here. The entire inside cover was soaking wet. You can see the labels are soaked. So, pretty impressed that the electronics didn't just fry. Okay, so again, just trying to show off how wet all of this is. See water all on the bottom here. Even the diagrams are soaked. You can hear it still dripping like crazy in here. I want to go and turn off the water. The problem is, that's a tight squeeze in here. Trying to figure out where it's coming from. You can see it's dripping out top there. The whole tank from the top there is dripping wet. And up top I don't see any water. Dripping up here. Some dust up top here, but it's dry. I'm trying to figure out what the heck. Okay. Again, it's my eternal hybrid heater. I have found the culprit for the leak. You can see again, literally water sprayed all up inside here. It's really unnerving because of all the electronics in this thing. But let's see if I can get a decent angle in here. Sorry about the camera craziness. So essentially that white piece behind these yellow wires, there's that white piece back there. 4 screws in it, and that is apparently what's causing the leak. Alright. Found the leak in here. Again, you can see that there's, let's see, water all over the place up here. And this piece right here, it seems to be the culprit. See the looks like some mineral deposits and whatnot in there. And it actually seems like it's kind of loose or something. Trying to get some light in there. In any case, you can see the part that is the culprit there. Now I have no idea what I'm going to do with it next year, but it looks like it probably has to come off somehow. So I'm going to attempt that. Okay, so I got the piece out here, and again, it's sat up right behind those yellow wires on the right end of that silver tube assembly here. So here's the plastic piece, and it came out very easily, and from the looks of it, it's straight up crap. that threaded, that piece on the end there. So we got a yellow ring here, or the black ring, sorry, black rubber ring. And you can see that this piece right here on the end is actually supposed to be threaded. I want to turn it around here, maybe a better angle there for you. There we go, much better. It's supposed to be threaded, and it looks like it's just crap, just disintegrated in there or something. So now I gotta figure out what the heck to do with that. But that was the source of our leaking hybrid heater.